You've probably heard the old saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's solid advice, right? But when it comes to investing, there's a whole lot more to consider than just diversification. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Nutmeg, a popular investment platform that offers a variety of investment styles. The burning question is, which Nutmeg investment style is actually the best for you? Let's face it, investing can be overwhelming. There are stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds, and a million other financial instruments to wrap your head around. And then there are the different investment philosophies: passive, active, value, growth, the list goes on. That's where platforms like Nutmeg come in. They promise to simplify investing by offering pre-built portfolios tailored to different risk appetites and financial goals. But what does that actually mean? And how do you know which Nutmeg style is right for you? Understanding Nutmeg investment styles. Let's break down the different Nutmeg investment styles. Fully managed, think of this as having a personal financial advisor on speed dial. Nutmeg's team of experts constantly analyzes the market and adjusts your portfolio accordingly. It's a hands-off approach, but you're paying for that expertise. Fixed allocation, this is more of a set-it-and-forget-it strategy. Your portfolio is divided into a fixed percentage of stocks, bonds, and other assets. It's generally cheaper than fully managed but offers less flexibility. Socially responsible, if you're passionate about environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors, this style might be for you. Nutmeg invests in companies that align with these values. Thematic, want to bet on specific trends like technology or renewable energy. Thematic portfolios allow you to do that. Choosing the right style. So, which style should you pick? It depends on a few factors. Your risk tolerance, how comfortable are you with market fluctuations? Your investment horizon, how long do you plan to invest? Your financial goals, are you saving for retirement, a house, or something else? Your values, do you want to invest in companies that align with your beliefs? Let's talk about risk tolerance. If you're young and have a long investment horizon, you might be able to stomach more risk. In this case, a fully managed or thematic portfolio could be a good fit. On the other hand, if you're closer to retirement and seeking stability, a fixed allocation or socially responsible portfolio might be more suitable. Deep dive into each style. Now let's dive deeper into each investment style. We'll discuss the pros and cons, who they might be best suited for, and some real-world examples. Fully managed style. Pros: professional management, potential for higher returns. Cons: higher fees, less control over your investments. Best for investors with a high risk tolerance and a long investment horizon. Fixed allocation style. Pros: lower fees, simplicity, diversification. Cons: less potential for high returns, less flexibility. Best for investors with a low risk tolerance and a short to medium investment horizon. Socially responsible style. Pros: aligns with your values, potential for long-term growth. Cons: smaller investment universe, potentially lower returns. Best for investors who prioritize ESG factors. Thematic style. Pros: potential for high returns if you pick the right theme. Cons: higher risk, concentrated investments. Best for investors with a high risk tolerance and a strong belief in a particular theme. Additional considerations. Remember, past performance is not indicative of future results. Diversification is key. And it's always a good idea to do your own research or consult with a financial advisor. Choosing the best Nutmeg investment style is a personal decision. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon carefully. And remember, it's okay to rebalance your portfolio over time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.